And though I know it might be just a dream, dreams come true.